Hi everyone, I'm Jean from Decorate for the Culture, and today I'm reviewing the Tresanti Adjustable Standing Desk from Costco. So here we go. It is beautiful. This is at its lowest setting, and because I'm short, I'm 5'4", I fit nice and comfortably. If I want to move it up, it's very light to the touch. If you're afraid of it being touch sensitive, there is a button on the side that you can lock it. So when you're working, you don't have to worry about that. That is your lock button to USB ports. And here we have the top to go up, to go down. Here is to remind you to stand up, which I think is pretty cool. And 3 memories so that you can adjust the height. You just press it there and it'll remember the height. Wireless charger. Look at that. I haven't even removed the sticker because it's brand new. It does have a drawer. It's 2 smaller compartments and a larger compartment. I'm a teacher. I have my Expo marker, and what I love about this is that you can write on it. You can't see the handwriting from there. It's not the nicest, but it's great. And I have a little paper towel here. Here's the sticker with all its capabilities. Overall, I'm extremely happy with this purchase. I think it's worth it, especially with everyone working from home. Teachers, this is a good investment. I hope you enjoyed this video of the Tresanti Adjustable Standing Table and helped you make a more informed decision. Until next time.